Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is me again. I'm back with an amazing video and amazing tips for your skin. Today I'm going to show you three face scrub or a face mask, you can say, out of coconut oil. And it's really easy and it is has a good benefits for your skin. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna show you is a face scrub or a face mask, you can say. It's out of coconut oil, oats and 1 tablespoon of honey. So I'll show you. So for that I have taken oats, 1 or 2 tablespoon of oats, and I have mixed little bit of coconut oil, normal parachute coconut oil which I'm using. So normal parachute, you can take it, and you can take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in this and 1 tablespoon of oats. And in this I'm gonna put some honey. That is also I'm taking 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon, half of it, whatever it is there. I'm gonna put so much. So mix all the ingredients all together. See, as you can see, mix it well. Coconut is really good for your skin, and you know coconut oil gives you a soft texture and it is really good, and even oats. So oats people usually have it during diet, but this you have to apply. So you mix all this together. Guys, today also I'm so sorry I'm not gonna show you this because I have to show you more three things all together. I cannot apply on my face. So I'm just gonna tell you roughly. One thing I will definitely, one pack or a scrub which I'm gonna show in the last, so which I'll definitely apply for you guys. But this is it. So guys, you apply this. Keep it on your face. Just apply it nicely. Leave the eye area because it might burn. So just away from little bit of your away from your eyes. And the benefit of this is this scrub will give you clear skin. And if somebody has a problem of spots, dark spots and all, so this is definitely going to help you to give you a flawless skin. Try it at home. Keep it for 15-20 minutes on your face, then just apply it. Just massage it circulating wise. Just apply it and just massage it in a circular way, to say. And wash your face with normal water. You don't need to do wash your face with any of the face wash or something. You have to just wipe it out with normal, any wet cloth or any, you can directly wash it also from, normal water. So this is the first thing which I have showed you, and it's really good for dry skin. You can apply this once or twice a week and it will really work. So let's move on to second thing which I'm gonna show you. So let's get started. Hi guys, so the second thing we are moving on is for your dry skin. If you have a really bad dry skin like me, see, usually this nose of mine, this part becomes dry, and it becomes so dry. I have applied a lot of things, but it is really not workable for me. So I am gonna show you this, and maybe I'm gonna try this. So it's for your dry skin. All you gotta do is you have to take a bowl, take some coconut oil, I'm gonna take little bit because I'm not gonna, waste it later on. You just need to take a coconut oil and honey again. So take some few drops or half teaspoon of honey. Mix all this. Apply on your face and make sure while applying, when you apply this, massage it for 5 to 7 minutes on your skin. Just massage it, circulating, again a circulating way. Massage this and keep this mask or whatever this mask you can say, or a scrub, keep this on your face. See, it looks like this. Mix it well and keep this at least for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, just keep it on your skin. When you apply it, keep 30 minutes and just wash it with normal water. And you can do this to get rid of your dry skin. If you have a really bad dry skin, you can use it every day. Every day you can use it to get rid of a dry skin. Otherwise, if you have like me, if you have a problem like me, only just few part of my skin becomes dry, so that person can use it for twice or thrice a week. But if you have a really bad skin problem, somebody has it, your entire skin becomes dry, you can use it every day. So it's no harmful of using it every day. So here it is like this. Make sure that you at least for 5 to 7 minutes you just do a massage while applying. Leave it for 30 minutes and you'll get the good results. So moving on to the last and the third one, which I'm going to show you. So let's get started. Guys, hi, moving on to the last one, which I'm going to do it. And it's for firming skin, for the firm skin. And for the skin, for the brightened skin, which I'm gonna show you. So all you need is take a bowl, so for that you need yogurt, turmeric and a coconut oil. So for that I'm gonna show you. So I've taken 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric. Then you take 1 spoon. Take 1 tablespoon of it. 1 tablespoon of yogurt in a bowl. Guys, make sure if you have some people have a problem. Most of have the dark neck. They have a complaint that neck have become dark and all. Most of have that complaints. So make sure you can apply this on your neck, your face. So guys, I've taken 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Take some coconut oil, mix all the 3 ingredients together. This will really give you flawless skin, brightened skin, and of course firm skin. If you have anti-aging problem or whatever, anybody can apply. So see, as you can see, you have to mix like this. Apply this for 30 minutes on your face. You don't need to massage and all for this. Apply it for 30 minutes. leave it with clean it with normal water. This you can do it twice, thrice a week. And definitely you can apply this on your neck also, wherever the entire neck is covered with this, and your face where you can see the dark spots and it has become dark. So guys, as you can see, I've mixed this all, so it looks like this. So just apply it on your skin, and you will see the result. I hope you liked all these 3 things which I have showed you. So if you like this video, share this video, and of course comment this video. I will come again with something new and something really workable for your skin and hair. Till then, stay tuned, stay happy. Bye bye.